This is a 1951 Smith Corona silent typewriter. Has a beautiful dark chocolate brown crinkle coat finish. It has been refurbished. Everything on it works as it should, and it's ready to type. This typewriter has a really nice brown crinkle coat finish to it. Looks really good. Keys look really nice. It does have just a few scuffs and normal wear like you'd expect from a 1951 machine. The corners got a nick there. There's a scuff there. This corner also has a spot in the neckline. But it looks really good overall. This typewriter also includes its original case, which has been cleaned and it's solid and it latches well. But it does show a lot of wear. About all of the corners of the cloth is bare. It's a wooden case covered with cloth. About all of the corners are bare and worn, and spots on it. And the wood's even worn in some places. It is solid, it does latch well. This is for the 1951 Smith Corona silent model typewriter.